Let's look at the noun as object of the sentence. As we know, in all languages, nouns can also function as the objects of the sentences, and for this reason there is also an object link. And this is illustrated in the following table, where you will notice that the object links and the subject links are identical, but that they do differ in some cases. And where they do differ, it will be indicated in brackets next to the object link. So here we have umtu, umntwana, umfazi, and umfundi. And where the subject link was u, it is now m, taken from the prefix. There you can see it. So one example, umama uyamjonga umntwana. The mother looks after him, the object, the child. Two words beginning with aba. Abantu, abantwana. The object link is ba. Ugqirha uyabanika abantu iyeza. The doctor gives them, the people, some medicine. Kufuneka abazali babajonge abantwana babo. The parents must look after them, the children, or their children. Uzolile, umama, and ugqirha. Here the object link is the same as the words, namely m. Ndimbonile uzolile izolo. I saw him, namely Zolile, yesterday. Umama uyamthanda umama. Umntwana uyamthanda umama. The child loves her, the mother. Kufuneka uye kumbona ugqirha. You must go and see him, namely the doctor. Then we have a double O word, or zolile, treated exactly the same way as the aba words. Hence the ba object link. Ndibafonele or zolile. I contacted them, namely Zolile and company. Two words which have a non-human reference. Umlomo, mouth. Umhla, day or date. Kufuneka uwuvale umlomo. You must close it, namely your mouth. Ungawulibali umhla. Don't forget it, namely the date. Two imi words. Imilenze, legs. Imihla, dates. The object link here is yi, as opposed to I, the subject link. Zama ukuyigoba imilenze. Try to bend them, namely the legs. Ndiyayikhumbula imihla. I remember them, namely the dates. And we have ilizwi and iyeza, and we could imagine it as being like that, but the li is not actually part of the visible prefix. Ilizwi and iyeza, here the subject link, or rather object link, is li, and the words mean voice and medicine. Ndiyaliva ilizwi lakhe. I can hear it, namely his voice. Ungalibali ukulisela iyeza. Don't forget to drink it, namely the medicine. The plurals thereof, amayeza and amehlo. Amehlo is an exception to the rule. It's not ama, but ame. And here the object link is wa, as opposed to the a subject link. Question: Uwa fumene pi amayeza. Where did you find them, the medicines? Ungawavula amehlo ngoku. You can now open them, the eyes. Ngoku, now. Isisu, stomach. Isitulo, chair. The object link is si. Eli yeza liza kusilungisa isisu sakho. This medicine will fix it, namely your stomach. Isitulo, ndiyasithanda esi situlo. I like it, namely this chair. The plurals, izisu, izitya, stomachs, dishes, izikolo, schools, izandla, hands, izitende, heels. The object link is zi. Ndiyazihlamba izitya esinkini. I wash them, namely the dishes in the sink. Izandla, kufuneka uzihlambe izandla zakho phambi kokutya. You need or must wash them, namely your hands, before eating. The group most commonly used. Examples: indlu, house, ingalo, arm, intamo, neck, intloko, head, impumlo, nose, ipilisi, a tablet, ifestile, a borrowed word with ipilisi, window. Here the object link is yi as opposed to the subject link I. Indlu, uyayibona, do you see it, namely the house, or with reference to the house. Yisele ipilisi emva kokutya, take it or drink it, the tablet, after meals. Ndiyayivala ifestile ebusuku, I close it, namely the window, at night. The plural forms: izindlu, iingalo, houses, arms, iintamo, necks, iintloko, heads, iimpumlo, noses, iipilisi, tablets, iifestile, windows. And as I said, imagine that there is a Z between the two eyes, and then it will be easy to identify the object link Z. Izindlu, abantu bayazithenga, people buy them. Ipilisi, zisele ipilisi xa kuyimfuneko. Tablets, take them when necessary. Windows, iifestile, kushushu, it is hot. Sukuzivala iifestile, don't close them, namely the windows. Ulusu, skin, ulwimi, tongue, uthando, unwele, usana. And imagine that there is a lu there, and then it makes it easy to identify the object link lu. Ugqirha uthi mandiluveze ulwimi. The doctor says I must stick it out, my tongue. Umama uyalutyisa usana. The mother feeds it, namely the baby. Iilwimi, iintsapho, iinwele, iintsana. Once more, imagine the Z there between the two eyes, and again it is easy to identify the object link. Z. Ndiyakwazi ukuzithetha, I can speak them, namely the languages. Iinwele zam zinde, my hair is long. Ndifuna ukuzicheba, I need to have it or them literally cut. And then some ubu words, and there's only one exception, which is utywala. So ubu suku, ubu sika, ubu mnyama, ubuntu, and utywala. And it is quite easy to identify the object link. Bu. Kuyabanda kodwa ndiyabuthanda ubusika. It is cold, but I enjoy it, namely the winter. Utywala, liquor, alcohol. Abantu bayabusela, the people drink it. Utywala, namely alcohol. Kakhulu, a lot. Emchatweni, at a wedding. It is very easy to identify the object link here with these uku words. Ukutya, food or to eat. ukuthetha, to speak, ukufunda, to learn or learning, ukubhala, writing or to write, ukumamela, listening or to listen. Object link. Ku silambile, we are hungry. Kufuneka umama akupheke ukutya. Mom has to cook it, namely the food. When you compare the subject and object links, you will easily notice that the subject link appears at the beginning. It's the first thing that you write down in the verb or adjective. Intloko yam ibuhlungu, my head, it is sore. And the object link will always appear immediately before the verb stem, before the action word, regardless of whether it is positive or negative. So therefore, andizi kuyitya, there it is, yi before tya, ichokoleti, I will not eat it, namely the chocolate. And what happens when the subject and the object are one and the same? We have a situation such as, or situations such as, she, subject, sees herself, object, in the mirror. They, subject, teach themselves, object. The link that we will use here is ze. And here are the translations. U, she, uyazi, herself, bona, sees. She herself sees in the mirror. Ba, they themselves teach. They teach themselves. She sees herself. Esipilini, in the mirror. This Z link carries the meaning of self or selves and is sometimes referred to as the reflexive link, but as we see here, the term itself is not that important. Okay, that then concludes this video. Enkosi.